Hey y'all, Chris from American Warrior Forge here. I just want to take a second and tell you about my wonderful new product, Warrior Wax Blade Armor. Now, this wax is unlike any other wax on the market today. I have formulated it myself using only premium ingredients, all natural, all food safe. But the reason I used different ingredients than some of the other waxes available today is I was using other waxes and found a little something wanting. So Warrior Wax is truly a one-stop shop. It goes on easily. You wipe it on with a clean cloth. You let it sit for a minute, and then you wipe and buff off the excess. It's that simple. You don't need heat. You don't need anything else. Now, Warrior Wax is going to work on your steels. It's going to work on other metals. It's going to work on your wood. It's going to work on your Kydex, your other synthetic materials like your G10 and your micarta. So no matter if you are a knife maker, if you work with wood, this is going to be a wonderful product to help protect your craft, to help protect your art, or if you're the user, to help protect the thing that you're using. So protect your investment, get some Warrior Wax. It's available now on the website, www.americanwarriorforge.com, in both 1 and 2 ounce tins. Affiliate pricing is available for those who are interested. So get some Warrior Wax, guys, and see the difference for yourself. Warrior Wax, Blade Armor, demand the best.